It is not legal when anyone gives his son anything until he may do justice with the other sons, and give the same to the others, and may not told any witness for it. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Do justice with your progeny regarding giving presents. And can the parents take something back after granting it? And they can eat out of their progeny's property with equity, but should not transgress." The Prophet ﷺ purchased a camel from Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, and then granting it to Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu, said, "Do with it whatever you want." Hazrat Humayd bin Abdul Rahman and Muhammad bin Nauman bin Bashir have reported from Hazrat Nauman bin Bashir. His father took him to Allah's Apostle ﷺ and said, "I have granted my this son a slave." He ﷺ inquired, "Have you granted your every son such a slave?" He submitted, "No." He ﷺ said, "Then take him back." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2586.